I'm Denise Broady. I'm the CMO for Calibra. Yeah, talk about an accidental career. So I graduated from Virginia Tech in 1996, and tech was starting to emerge, and I'd taken one class in COBOL in this programming class, which led me to coming to a consulting company that had me programming and doing technical interfaces for SAP. And that really led and opened the doors into a career in tech. Coming into the data field, you don't need to be a data scientist. You don't need to be a data specialist. I actually studied production operations and I had a double in marketing. And the ability to move from a programming role into business development, into marketing has just been an evolution around my career. Having the technical background does really help as part of it. And if you have that opportunity, I would recommend anybody coming in and getting that exposure. But you don't have to start as a data scientist or an analyst specialist, because I think there's so many roles in the data side of the house to really be open and think about building your tool set, right? And getting multiple experience and working across various sets of the business versus being confined in only one particular area that may be where your degree or your background is coming from. I was very fortunate. I had quite a bit of sponsorship throughout my career. So coming from a small startup of about 300 people and the opportunity to spend 15 years at SAP really gave me so many different experiences. And by the time I ended my career at SAP, I was the COO with marketing communications responsibilities, as well as strategy and operations for a $10 billion business. When you get these multiple experiences, whether at a large company or in the scale-up mode or turnaround mode, those are all moments of, I would say, not only appreciation and gratitude, but then you feel like you've had such varying experiences. And those are the moments that you keep in the back of your head to say, wow, I've done it. There's been so many challenges in my career as part of just overall, I always look at, careers are for a long haul. I've been doing this for 26 years. So if you don't make a few mistakes in the interim, you haven't taken enough risk. Failing a lot, as long as you get up quickly, is such a great way to learn. And it's the failures that always, push me a little bit further than just always the accomplishments. I've always felt that my career was accidental. So for the first 10 years, I had no idea what I wanted to do. I just kind of figured you work hard and you would get promoted or opportunities would come. And the 10 years, I collected lots of different, background and just skills. It's not about just chasing the titles. It's really thinking through that intersection, like what makes you happy and what are you good at? And then how do you create an impact and grow businesses? And that's a little bit of a shift, right? It's not always about chasing the title. It's really, everybody works hard at a certain level. The question is, how do you differentiate your team and cultivate a culture where you drive growth for businesses as part of it?